Happy New Year and a warm welcome from Westgate Manufacturing. Wishing all our partners and customers a fantastic start to 2025. We're thrilled to kick off the year by unveiling some exciting new arrivals for Season 1 of 2025. Let's dive in and take a closer look at what's coming your way. Illuminate with confidence using our versatile BKR D-round bulkhead lights. Equipped with multi-power and CCT options, plus a photocell for automated efficiency, these lights are perfect for both residential and commercial applications. Meet the LF4 Max, the ultimate in architectural floodlighting. Featuring multi-beam angles, adjustable wattage, and CCT, this floodlight adapts to any environment. The integrated photocell ensures energy savings and seamless operation. Go green with the GPX SOL, a solar-powered post-top disc delivering 1700 lumens of brilliant light. Smart energy control optimizes battery usage, providing reliable illumination all night long. Style meets sustainability with DAB SOL, available in 3 sizes. These elegant bell lights offer multi-CCT options and fit all pole mountings, enhancing any outdoor space. Customize your landscape with the BOL G7 modular bollard system. Choose from 4 sizes and 3 finishes, with multi-power and CCT settings to match any design aesthetic. The UHX Max sets a new standard for high bay lighting. Multi-beam, wattage, and CCT flexibility combined with sensor-ready technology for unmatched performance in industrial spaces. Available in black and white finishes. Built to withstand the toughest environments, the UHXF is IP69K rated and NSF certified. This sensor-ready, multi-power, and CCTI bay delivers top-tier lighting solutions for heavy-duty settings. Replace traditional HID lamps with the ED23 LED filament lamp. Available in E26 and EX39 bases, and 4000K or 5000K options. These lamps provide energy-efficient retrofits with a classic look. The LTRA offers sleek aperture grille design in 3 sizes, with multi-power and CCT adaptability. Perfect for modern office and commercial spaces. Enhance garages and workshops with the HEX light. This all-in-one solution delivers 6500K of crisp, bright light and a stylish hexagon design. Add color and creativity with the SCX RGBW linear light. App-controlled smart RGBW. Technology allows for dynamic lighting adjustments at your fingertips. Sleek and functional, the SCSL comes in 3 sizes with multi-power and CCT configurations. Black and white finishes offer versatile design options. 360-degree illumination meets dual dimming capabilities in the ST360. Multi-power and CCT options provide ultimate customization for any space. Create statement lighting with the SCRH pendant. Available in 3 sizes, this up-down light features multi-CCT, dual dimming, and black or white finishes. Simplicity and style define the WCF wall light. With multi-power, CCT, and dual dimming, this slim 3-feet fixture elevates interior designs. The FMHT offers organic, free-form ceiling lighting in 3 sizes with multi-CCT options. Black and white finishes enhance contemporary spaces. Blend functionality and style with the FMLU Multi. CCT capabilities and black and white finishes make this 12-inch flush mount light a top choice. Minimalist and chic, the LCFK 6-inch coconut pendant light features multi-power and CCT settings. Available in black and white to complement any decor. And last, the LCFI pendant light brings elegance with its 2-level design. Multi-power and CCT options, paired with black or white finishes, make this an ideal centerpiece for various spaces. Explore our latest lineup of cutting-edge products, with even more exciting releases coming this season. Visit westgatesheets.com to download the 2025 Season 1 catalog and stay informed. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth weekly videos every Monday. Westgate Manufacturing. The future is here, and it's quite bright.